Now we go to the other sections of mustard seed farm tanks. Here we see 3 aquarium tanks. They're all 10 gallons. On the left, you will see we have all these guppies, which have been grown to adult size. Most of them females and male. Okay. They're ready for sales, ready for ship out. Okay, next to it is the swordtails. These are the swordtails that have been raised from little fries to this size. There are only about 5 or 6 left. Some of them died. Some have been sold, but basically we don't have that many adult swordtail. But they have delivered a lot of swordtail fries, which should grow up in about maybe 5 to 6 weeks. This is a tank where some of the fries are growing bigger and bigger. There you see some there's some swordtail there. Okay, so there you go. Okay, so this is I call it the teen tank. So these guppies and swordtails, basically the teenagers. I think another 2 or 3 weeks, they will grow bigger. And there you are, the sections. It's for basically adult tanks for guppies and swordtails. I'm going to give you a shot. This is where they are close by to the fireplace. There you go. For the time being, mustard seed, that's 5 10-gallon tanks and 1 20-gallon tanks. Doing well. Hopefully it will grow bigger, and I will put them in very organized racks in the future.